Hello friends, welcome to Radhika Biology channel once again. Today we will revise some of the important topics like some important scientists in biology, some important dates and various theories which are given by various scientists in biology. So first we'll study some of the important scientists in biology and their related fields. Aristotle was known as father of biology. Theophrastus was known as father of botany. Aristotle is again father of zoology. Father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales. Carl Linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. Genetics, most of the genetic work was done by Mendel, so he was known as father of genetics. Father of experimental genetics, Morgan. Father of biology, John Hedwig. Carl Swanson is father of modern cytology. Marcelo Malpighi is father of microscopy. Father of comparative anatomy is Cuvier. Father of modern anatomy is Andres. Father of experimental physiology is Galen. William Harvey is known as father of study of circulation of blood. Father of evolutionary ideas, Empedocles. Father of eugenics is F. Galton. K.V. Baer is known as father of embryology. Charaka is known as father of Ayurveda. L. de Vinci is known as father of paleontology. Hippocrates is known as father of medicine. Butler is known as father of mycology. Louis Pasteur, this is very important. Louis Pasteur is known as father of mycology. Hugo de Veres is known as father of mutation. Father of special creation theory was given by Soares. Edward Jenner is known as father of immunology. Bateson is father of modern genetics. And Lancaster is father of blood groups. Now we will study some of the important dates. Like 30th January is known as Anti-Leprosy Day. First week of Feb and July is known as Van Mahotsav. National Science Day is 20th February. 15th March is World Handicap Day. 21st March is World Forest Day. 24th March is World Tuberculosis Day, that is TB Day. World Health Day is 7th April. World Earth Day is 22nd April. 8th May is World Red Cross Day. World No Tobacco Day is 31st May. 5th June is regarded as World Environmental Day. 11th July is World Population Day. Malaria Day 20th August is regarded as Malaria Day and 29th August is Mosquito Day. This is again important. Ozone Day is 16th September. Blood Donation Day is 1st October. World Habitat Day is 4th October. World Food Day 16th October is known as World Food Day. World Diabetes Day, that is 14th November. 1st December is known as World AIDS Day. 10th December is Human Rights Day, and Kisan Divas 23rd December is regarded as Kisan Divas. These are the most important dates, and from here the question often comes in your NEET examination. Now we will study some of the theories which are given by various scientists. Like cell theory was given by Seddon and Son, and Crick, central dogma of molecular genetics, was given by Crick. Chemosynthetic theory was given by Oparin. Morgan and Castle gave the chromosomal linkage theory. Theory of inheritance of quiet character was given by Sutton and Boveri. Dixon and Joly gave cohesion ascent theory of sap. Conditional reflex was given by Palov. Bateson and Punnett gave the coupling and repulsion theory. Double fertilization of angiosperms were given by Navasin. Whittaker gave the five kingdom classification. Fluid mosaic model was given by Singer and Nicholson. Germplasm theory was given by Weismann. Pasteur gave the germ theory of disease. Genetic balance of determination was given by C.B. Bridges. Induced fate hypothesis of enzyme. This theory was given by Koshland. Von Baer gave law of conservation of energy. Lock and key hypothesis of enzyme was given by Emil Fischer. Oparin gave the materialistic theory. Hugo de Veres gave mutation theory. Oparin concept of gene action was given by Jacob and Monod. Organic evolution was given by Darwin and Wallace. Protoplasm, physical basis of life, was given by Huxley. And recapitulation theory was given by von Baer. Sol-Gel theory of amoeba locomotion was given by Hyman. Steeler theory of plant was given by Tegam. Spencer gave the survival theory of fittest. Theory of abiogenesis was given by Helmont. Theory of acquired character was given by Lamarck. Haeckel gave the theory of biogenetic law. Theory of epigenesis was given by Wolff. Charles Darwin gave the theory of natural selection. Theory of pangenesis was given by Darwin. And vital theory was given by J.C. Bose. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get more videos for your revision of various exams.